Hi guys, it's me, Sorin-Marian, and this is how I got monetized on YouTube again. For 6 months and 1 week, I could not monetize my YouTube channel. After many rejections from YouTube, right now I got back on YouTube with monetization, and this is how I did that. Hi YouTube, it's me, Sorin-Marian, and I am the owner of my YouTube channel. This is my daughter. And here is my wife. As you can see, this is my YouTube channel. You can see here, I film videos from TikTok Live and YouTube such as Jador and others like Browadis, FaceRog, and many more. Simply put, I download the videos from YouTube and TikTok, then I edit them to make some new interesting content for all the viewers to watch. As you can see, I use Sony Vegas Pro to edit all of my videos from this channel. I mainly react and talk about videos from the internet in general. I always add significant original commentary or educational value to all of my videos. All of my videos have original and authentic content that adds value to viewers. I put a funny or doubtful spin on content I don't originally create. I transform the content in some way. I never violate YouTube and AdSense program policies. I always come up with good ideas for my videos. I just feel like I need to create something funny. My video ideas are all random, which captivates my public's attention. As you can see, for example, this video is with me and my wife in it. The next video was about FaceRog, which I talked about what happened to him. Then I made a funny story video about me, also known as Face Daddy. Here it's about PewDiePie. I sometimes comment about other people's videos. I do reaction videos sometimes, funny ones, me talking about other people, showing scary videos like with ghosts. For example, this is a funny video. I talked about Warcraft 3. I created a meme video about it. This one was a funny video about Donald Trump, which I edited to make it funnier, and I added my voice at the end of the video. This is me, another video with me and my wife. This is my daughter, a scary video, a video which was filmed by me. This is my town, by the way. Another video which was filmed by me. It was me with my wife and daughter. A funny video. My daughter again. This one is about my Facebook group. And this one is a funny video about Mark Zuckerberg. Bill Gates. Again, it's a funny video. This is a funny and scary video about robots. These are my reaction videos with commentary. This is a channel trailer which I made. Back then, my channel was called Face Daddy. Here I talked about FaceRog and his ex-girlfriend. A funny video. This one is about Browadis. Browadis again. My reaction video about Jackie Figueroa and Browadis. My daughter. And then a scary video. I then made a video about Bill Gates, which was funny by the way. The Rake. About J Station. About a scary movie, The Thing. About Dead Space, about J Station again, and Alexia Marano, about Mirela Vaida. I filmed what happened during snow time. Anything Alexia. A video about Benjamin Bennett, which was funny. The Ace family, about Jacob, about scary black holes, time travel. They mean, by the way. A video about Robert the Door, a scary video. A video about Kaylin and FaceRog, a video about Joe Biden, a video about paranormal stuff, a video about J Station, a video about Austin McBroom from the Ace family, a video about Elon Musk, a video about Souls 90 and his mermaids, a video about Mitrica, and then I made a video about my cousin, and then I made a funny video about gamers. Then I made a video about Jador and Simina, about Jasmine and Broadis, and my newest video is about J-Station. I talked about J-Station. I use my voice and also add my face in some of the videos. Everything you see on my YouTube channel is fair use. So my content is not stealed. My content is not reused because I add significant value to all of my videos. I added my voice in all of my videos.